This is a violation of law, Mr. President. And I go on. PCSO and PAGCOR. Since 2019 to 2025, PhilHealth share is 106.95 billion. Zero ang narimit. Imposible, Mr. President, because PAGCOR and PCSO certify that they have remitted the amounts to Treasury. It totals 106.95 billion. In 2023, 21.17 billion appeared in the GAA. This was never released. The same amount was also present in the GAA for 2024. This was also not released. Upon inquiry, the explanation of DBM, the explanation of DBM is the law that earmarks this PAGCOR and PCSO amounts states that this is subject to the usual budgeting, accounting, auditing principles, etc. More or less, that's the phrase. So clearly, noong 2023, pumasa naman sa kanilang accounting, auditing, budgeting principles. Pumasa naman dahil nilagay sa GAA. Hindi naman mapupunta sa GAA yan kung hindi dumaan nga dun sa process nila. Hindi pa rin na-release. In 2024, ganun din. Nilagay sa GAA, hindi rin na-release. So there is a concerted effort, Mr. President, to disregard this law that we passed. There's a concerted effort to pretend that we truly care about the health of the Filipino people, and yet earmark fundings do not go to PhilHealth. So, Mr. President, I hope that my statements do not fall on deaf ears. There is still a chance. There is still the BICAM. Maliwanag naman sa usapan sa majority that ilalaban naman ang mga paniniwala natin. And I am reminding everyone that this is a law that we have passed. This amount has no right to be sitting in another agency. We Filipinos have the right to know where this goes, because even if we know where these amounts are, they're supposed to be in the hands of PhilHealth, Mr. President. Mark my word, abangan po natin ang fulfillment ng zero balance billing. I believe that from the President down to the PhilHealth officials, gusto nilang mangyari to. Mangyayari ba to kung walang sapat na budget? Panoorin po natin, abangan natin. Kasi marami tayong kababayan na pupunta ho sa mga ospital at malalaman natin kung talagang nakakatanggap sila ng zero balance billing. Having said that, ang sinabi ng PhilHealth, dun lang sa DOH hospitals. Paano naman yung hindi nakakarating sa DOH hospital? Di nakatulong sana tong earmark na PhilHealth funding for the LGU hospitals. So sana mga mayor, paglaban nyo na ilabas to. Dahil alam ko yung mga constituents nyo, hinahanap sa inyo ang zero balance billing sa mga LGU hospitals nyo. Paglaban po natin na makarating din naman sana sa mga kababayan natin na ang malapit na ospital sa kanila, yung LGU hospital. Kung dun sa lugar nila, wala man lang DOH hospital at may private hospital, dapat makagamit din sila ng PhilHealth zero balance billing. Dapat. Kasi may pondo naman na hindi nire-release. So,